What's up, guys? Matt here. Welcome back to the channel. You hear that beeping? That's right, we got Bradley Concrete, Lamcon Concrete, as some of you know it, pulling up here at the River House. We're about to do a decent sized concrete pour today. We're gonna pour around back the patio slab. We're gonna pour a slab for the neighbors, and we're gonna do some concrete right out here for the stairs on the front porch. So let me spin this camera around and let me show you what we got going on here. All right, check it out, guys. We got the only concrete company that I use ever, Bradley Concrete, right here on site. They're getting ready to unload. We got Tony Spencer and Spencer's Concrete Pump. Got his son Hayden here running the show. So they got the whole thing set up. Hayden's looking at me like he's making YouTubes again. All right, come back here. Here's one of our pours right here. We got a slab going in here. It's going to be a driveway down for the homeowner to run his side by side, get down to his dock. And then check this out. We got about a 20 yard or so pour back here in the very back. Got it all formed up nice and beautiful. Got the pump truck set up. So give us a few minutes, we get everything ready, and then I'm gonna put y'all right back on the action. All right, guys, we've got truck number 1 dumped out. I'm about to swing y'all around back and show you where they've poured it out back there in the patio. We got him over here washing out in the driveway. He's about to take the truck back to the plant, go on to his next job. All right, here we got one of Lamcon, Bradley Concrete's brand new truck. Look at that, baby. Look at that truck. That thing is beautiful. Truck number 2 here. This is the second 10 yards that we're about to put through this pump. I hope you can hear me over that sound. But let's run around the back here and we will look at this pad they're pouring. The concrete's going through that pump right there, all controlled by Bluetooth remote. Hayden from Spencer Concrete Pumping is controlling that. And then I got my buddy Antonio out here. He's gonna slick this concrete up. So right there's our first 10 yards. We got truck number 3 here. We're over here pouring this sidewalk for the neighbor now. Let me show you where they've got it all poured around here, and then I'll show you what they're doing right here as well. They've got the whole patio poured down here. Check this guy out. This guy right here don't want to be on the video, but they're edging it. They've done bull floated it. They're edging it now and gonna get it ready so that once it sets up a little bit, they'll be able to put the broom finish on here. So this is the next little slab we're pouring. We've got about 8 foot wide, 40 foot long, coming down the hill right here for the neighbor. And they're gonna cap it off down here on the end when they get down here, but they're pouring it down the hill right now. And next line of business after this one was we've got to do a little slab up front for the porch stairs. We got our 3rd truck pulling out now. This ended up being a 30 yard pour. We got the pad right here behind me for the stairs. The porch stairs ready. We poured the block full on the front porch with a little bit extra that we had in the truck. We got Hayden over here cleaning out the pump truck, getting everything done. I'm gonna take you back here to the back and show you, see if they've done any more finish work back here. Here's the guys right here putting all the pump equipment up. Right in here around this drain, and then right here is the pad that's going down for the neighbor. 8 foot wide, 40 foot long. Got that done. He's over here cleaning out the tools, getting ready to, I believe he's gonna edge this concrete right here. Let's see what he's gonna do. He's gonna run the edge up it. So he'll run that up and down this whole side right here, up the edge. And then when this concrete sets to the right dryness, they'll run the broom over it and put the broom finish on here for the final. Make it where it's not slick going down this hill right here. So check this out right here, guys. We got this whole pad poured out down here, about 25 yards, I believe, in here. He's out here floating it out a little bit, getting it ready for the broom finish. They've also ran the edge all the way around here. I just got back from lunch. Thought the concrete pump truck guys are gonna be gone, but let me show you what happened while I was at lunch. I believe Hayden got a little bit too close to the water line here, and his pump rig sunk. So we're about to try to figure something out, and we're gonna get this thing out of here some way or another.
No video for me.
See, all right, I want to show y'all. Here's the pad out front for the stairs. We got that ready to roll. I just put an edge on it, troweled it in a little bit, waiting on it to set up a little bit more, and they'll come up here and put a little broom finish on that one as well. So let's swing around here and look at the final broom finish over here on the neighbor's slab. Here we go back to the back, and here's the final broom finish here, guys. Let's run down this side right here. There you go, guys. There's the final broom finish on this slab right here. That's a little ramp for him to be able to get down the hill in his side-by-side over here. And then let's come over here to the big slab. This one's drying a lot slower. This one's drying slower because it's got plastic under it, and it's in the shade now, but they're getting it all slicked up. Poppy's over there putting the broom finish on it. All right, guys, Hayden finally got the pump truck undone. We had to dump out the rest of the pump right here. We had to clean it out right here, unfortunately, but that's okay. We get that cleaned up with the skid steer next time, and luckily he got out of there. And I'm gonna leave them guys back there to finish the broom finishing on that, and I got to go look at some other jobs here before it's time to go home. And that's all I got for you guys today on this concrete episode, and I appreciate y'all watching the video. If you haven't already joined the family, make sure you go down there, hit the subscribe button, turn the post notifications on so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I will see you in the next video.